In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import your contact data into HubSpot efficiently and smoothly. If you're starting your journey with HubSpot, knowing how to import your data is crucial for organizing your CRM and keeping track of your contacts. Let's dive right in and get started. First things first, to begin the import process, you need to ensure you're logged into your HubSpot account. This goes without saying, but it's important to be in the right account to manage your contacts and data effectively. Once you've confirmed that you're logged in, the next step is to navigate to the trial guide. The trial guide is a valuable resource that provides all the necessary tools and information you need to jumpstart your form building process and effectively manage your CRM. Exploring this guide can be incredibly helpful, especially if you're new to HubSpot. Now, let's go over to the homepage. Once you're there, the next action is to locate the CRM section. CRM, or Customer Relationship Management, is the heart of HubSpot, where all your contact data is organized and managed. Under CRM, you'll want to select Contacts. This area is specifically where you'll manage your contact list, so selecting it will take you to the right spot for importing. After clicking on Contacts, you'll see an option labeled Import. Go ahead and click on Import. This feature is specifically designed to bring in your data efficiently, and using it is a key step in integrating new contacts into your CRM system. Once you're in the Import section, click on Import a File. Selecting this option will enable you to upload your contact data file easily. Usually, you'll be working with a CSV file, but make sure that your file format aligns with HubSpot's requirements to ensure a smooth process. Following this, you'll see an option to click Start Import. Selecting Start Import will initiate the process of integrating your new data into the system. This step is crucial as it sets everything in motion. When you've reached this stage, HubSpot will prompt you to select the type of data contained within your file. You'll need to specify the nature of your data, which helps HubSpot map it correctly. Once you've selected the appropriate data type, click on Next. With that step completed, it's time to start importing your files for real. HubSpot provides an intuitive mapping feature which will guide you through aligning your file's data fields with HubSpot's system. Simply follow the on-screen prompts during this process, and there you have it. With these steps, you'll successfully import your contact data into HubSpot, making it easier to manage and utilize within your CRM system. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial, and happy HubSpotting!